लिटिल फरहान एडवेंचर में स्वागत है आपका। ए फॉर एप्पल, ए फॉर आंट। ओके बच्चों। बी फॉर बॉल, बी फॉर बॉय। वेरी गुड। C for cat, C for cup. Very good. D for dog, D for dog. Very good बच्चों। E for elephant, E for eraser. Very good. F for fish, F for finger. Very good. G for grapes, G for gorilla. H for hand, H for hand palm. बहुत अच्छे। वेरी गुड। I for ice cream, I for eyes. Very good. J for jar, J for jackfruit, K for kite, K for kettle, L for lion, L for lemon, M for monkey, M for mango, N for nest, N for nest, O for orange, O for owl, P for parrot, P for pigeon, Q for queen, Q for quiet, R for rabbit, R for rose, S for sip, S for soap, T for tiger, T for tomato, U for umbrella, U for uncle, V for van, V for van, W for wall, W for watch, X for Xmas tree, X for Xmas tree, Y for yak, Y for yummy, Z for zebra, Z for zebra,